Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Duplicity, which is a system to send files for remote backup onto the Zen server. So Duplicity allows us to send backup files to a remote server. It helps manage the network process. It can retry if network connections are broken, and it very helpfully encrypts the backup. And that encryption process helps make sure that our backup is secure, so the backup cannot be used without the encryption passphrase, allowing us to store backups in places where we don't have physical security. So in order to do this installation, I'm going to need to add the package Duplicity. Duplicity is not included in the normal CentOS, which Zen server is based on. So I will need to use the EPEL extra packages for Enterprise Linux, which you can see here on this website, fedoraproject.org/wiki/EPEL, or just Google EPEL. And if I go down here, there is a quick start here, and it shows here this command that we can run to install the package. So I'm going to switch to the command line for the Zen server, and I'm going to do this with one small modification because by default the repositories that we need are disabled, unfortunately. So I'm going to do yum, which is the CentOS or Red Hat equivalent of apt-get --enable repo equals base updates extras CentOS plus install, and then the URL of the package, which I will just copy and paste from the website. Okay, so now I have just copied that URL, and I am going to run this command to install here. And now the EPEL repository is installed on the Zen server. So I can now run the command yum --enable repo equals base updates extras CentOS plus install Duplicity. And without having the EPEL repository, unfortunately, it would not find the package. It has now loaded the EPEL repository. We'll just have to give it a moment to load the indexes of all the extra packages that it has added. Just give it one more moment. And it should now find the package that we want. And it has found it, and it has figured out everything that it needs to install. So we will just answer yes and allow it to download the required packages, and it will then install those for us. And then we can just say yes, allow it to install, and it will install everything here. And then it is complete. We can try writing the command duplicity, and we see that the command has indeed been installed, and we are now ready to use duplicity to back up the virtual machine snapshots to a remote location over the network with auto resume securely using encryption.